Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to study as a law student step by step. Begin by organizing your syllabi and building a weekly study calendar that lists readings, classes, outlines, and review blocks. Use active techniques like briefing cases, summarizing rules, and explaining concepts aloud. Prioritize hardest subjects early in the week and mix practice exams with short review sessions daily to reinforce retention and reduce last-minute cramming. Start using active methods that force retrieval rather than passive reading. Brief each case into concise parts so you can recite facts, issue, rule, and holding quickly. Make flashcards for elements and tests, and review them with spaced repetition to lock in rules. Simulate real exams by issue spotting and writing timed IRAC answers, then compare to model answers to identify gaps and improve structure and speed. Create concise outlines that merge cases, statutes, and sample applications into clear rule statements and examples. Keep updating outlines weekly to capture new class emphasis and avoid massive last-week rewrites. Use study groups to teach concepts to peers, which reveals weak spots faster than solo review. Regularly convert outlines into practice questions so you can apply rules under pressure and fine-tune exam strategy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.